had a really fun conversation when we're talking about process improvement. The difference between process or process steps and a to-do list, a task list, a checklist. Those were some fun comparisons. And so what's interesting is the thing you need to do. Well, is that a task then? Maybe that's a precursor, an input that has to get done before you do the process. The process is the repeatable piece. The task is the to-do. That's singular, one time, preps you for a great process. Well, then checklists, those are things not to forget. Are those quality control metrics versus what is the action I must take? And again, what we came up with, what's your goal? What are you trying to achieve? Are you achieving that? That getting to that goal is what helped us define a process. The goal drove what was our output, what was the need, and then the steps for how we got there. Whereas again, the checklist was more a way of doing each of those items, things not to forget. And then we even questioned, should those be built into the process? So it was a great discussion. I want you thinking about when you do process modeling, when you map out a process, when you write that standard operating procedure. Are we talking about the actions that need to be performed to produce a quality output to achieve a goal? Are you driving home those elements or only looking at the check boxes? Great things to consider in your process improvement and process analysis work. Mahalo.